I'm almost thinking in my own mind, I want to plug more of me into that. How do
Yeah.
I put more of me into that?
So, couple things. I love that you're posting content already. So that content, how much of that is video content?
As of next week, 33%.
Excellent.
As of last week, 0. But yeah, as of next week, and obviously by the time this rolls out, it will have been video 33% for a month or two.
Nice. Yeah. So that is key. The best way to incorporate you in this is video. It's super easy. And to be candid, well, you obviously are very comfortable with video. You've got this show, you've been doing it for a while. A lot of people are not, and they overcomplicate the hell out of it. So, for all you people who hear me say video and think, oh my God, I'm turning it off now, stop, hear me out. Okay. First thing I want to say is people are not going to pay attention to you for the quality of your video, right? It's the content within the video. You are not a movie studio. You don't need all the bells and whistles and flames shooting out of your ears or any of that, right? So get out your phone, which I'm sure you have one, pull out the camera and literally shoot videos off the cuff is incredibly powerful. And so when I'm doing videos, I do, what am I learning real world, right? What is going on right now? I just spent 4 days doing virtual UPW with Tony Robbins. Absolutely amazing. And I've created a lot of content from those 4 days about what I've learned and how I'm applying it.